still long. My journey has been different. It has taken me nearly 50 years to begin understanding what perhaps is the larger design of the cosmos. When I entered the Supreme Court on August 1, 1976, I believed I had found my destination, and that is what I called my mistress. Looking back today, I realized that the Supreme Court was never my destination. It was my preparation. For 5 decades, the Supreme Court of India was my Kurukshetra, the sacred field where constitutional values, human conflicts, rights and duties were tested every day. Within those courtrooms, I learned that the majesty of law lies not merely in the deciding disputes, but in preserving the rule of law, protecting human dignity, and strengthening the institution that sustains democracy. Yet every Kurukshetra ultimately seeks a higher purpose. The destination of law is justice. The destination of justice is peace. And the highest expression of peace in a society that is increasingly free from conflict. That understanding gradually brought me to mediation and ultimately to the peace mediation. And that is the topic of the conference that we are having now. In courts, if courts are the guardians of justice, peace mediation is the guardian of human relationships. Courts resolve disputes according to law. Peace mediation restores trust through dialogue, understanding and reconciliation. Perhaps this conference represents the new chapter, not merely in my own journey, but I hope in the evolution of our judicial system itself. If Supreme Court has been my Kurukshetra, then the global movement of peace mediation shall remain my Dharamkshetra, for where years the cosmos still grants me. I express my deepest gratitude to Honorable Chief Justice of India for gracing this occasion and for his inspiring leadership, to the Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan for the state unwavering support to the conference and otherwise, to the Honorable Judges of Supreme Court of India and the Constitutional Courts of Commonwealth, to the Home Minister of State of Law and Justice, the learned Attorney General, my dear friend, the learned Solicitor General of India, the Acting Chief Justice of Rajasthan, Honorable Judges of High Court, and my colleagues at the bar. May this conference not conclude as a memorable event, but begin as a lasting moment. May we leave Jaipur with the conviction that every conflict prevented, there is a debt of gratitude that I can never fully repay. A professional journey of 50 years is never traveled alone. Behind every lawyer who spends long days and countless nights preparing cases, appearing in court, traveling and serving clients, stands a family, and that silently bears the unseen burden. My wife has carried that burden almost single-handedly. While I devoted myself to the profession, she devoted herself to our family. The responsibility that I could not discharge at home quietly became hers. She fulfilled them with extraordinary grace, unwavering dignity, and remarkable strength. Never seeking recognition, never expressing resentment, and never allowing those sacrifices to diminish the warmth and stability of our home. If I have been able to stand before the bar for 50 years, it is because she stood firmly behind our family for 45 years. Whatever recognition comes to me today belongs as much to her as it to me.